and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing. Yes, and I know it's only a surge protector with USB charger. It's got 8 connections to it, as you can see on the box that's come in. This is the box it actually turned up in from Amazon. Not wasting any other product, so it wasn't a box within a box. I'll do the unboxing, show you around, I'll tell you why I bought this and why I'm doing the video. Come on, if I can get it out. Been beat by a box. Well, quite nicely packaged. See that? Couple of little labels in there for something. Let's have a quick read, shall we? So what's it say? It says, thank you for choosing N-Tone Power products. Here are some gifts for our loyal customers. We provide 18 months warranty. Follow and PM N-Tone Power and Facebook for 12 months warranty extension. Alright, so you follow them on Facebook and they'll give you an extended warranty. Basically, if you're unsatisfied, blah blah blah, and things like that. Multilingual language on the back, see that? I'll show you that anyway, in case you're interested. Right, what's it say? Surge protection with USB charger. Yeah, so basically, I'll show you a little picture. See that? So basically you've got overload switch, so it should be an overload switch LED indicator. AC sockets, so there's your 240 volts, there's 8 of them. And then at the bottom, at the very end, I have USB ports, so I can charge USB. So it's got 5 on it, says there. And then it's got product introduction, product specifications, product features. So I'm not going to read all that to you because I can see you're getting bored. So we'll get it out of the box. Nothing else in the box, I'll move that out of the way. Just quickly show you around it. It's quite big actually, bigger than I thought it'd be. So you've got your on-off switch. So your indicators that look like there, I suppose. N-Tone Power. And it's quite nice. Oh, a bit of Velcro. Unusual. Normally just a cable tie in it or something like that. So it's probably about 1 metre of cable length. I'm guessing. It feels like it. Just a bit of plastic. It's got a bit of shrink wrap around the edge by the looks of it. So I'll just remove it. Yeah, there we go. Move that, another bit around there, that. So I say it's nicely packaged. You can't wall mount it because there's nothing on the back to wall mount it. Right, now I'm going to show you why I bought it. Right, the reason I bought this is basically I have a lot of devices for charging up batteries, whether it be my drones, my helicopters, rechargeable batteries for my sound system that I use. So I bought 8 of these, which all goes in there. So I need to keep them charged up. I've got a normal one up here that I use at the moment. I want to do away with that, and what I want to do, what I'll probably do, is because you can't actually bolt it to a wall or anything, I was thinking about just velcroing it onto the side here, so it'll hang like that. Either that way up or that way up, not sure yet. But I'll velcro it there, and then I can plug all these devices all in and not have to keep worrying about them. So I can leave them on or switch them off, you know, because obviously he's got his own switch. Just flick them on and they'll all light up. And also my little fly catcher as well. That'll be plugged in, and that'd be like my my little charging station for my devices. And I think, you know, things are getting worse because I have another device here. This does my lighting, it charges my batteries up for my lights. for my light that I use to for helping to see me better, to give you a better videos, or better experience I should say. So that's the reason for why I bought this. So if you're interested in buying something like this, I'll stick a link in the description, like I always do anyway. And if you have any comments, you know, about my little station, or about this and my USB connections or whatever, please post them below. And or if you come up with a better idea for my station, it'd be interesting to see what you think. So that's it for this little video, and this little end-tone power thing, extension lead, whatever you want to call it. So thank you for watching. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.